My name is Mori Wilhite, and this is Katsumi's Kitchen. So this is it for this class. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna do a series of how I make the Japanese meals and treats. It may be a bit off, but it does taste Japanese. That's what I advertise for during my cooking class. So, and hopefully I teach it in such a way that you could, no matter what your ethnic background, you will be able to have make authentic Japanese dishes. In the future, I hope to do a Japanese meal prep series. Stay tuned.